I think this is where we're gonna build my shelter for the night. Nice little valley. I'm curious how deep the snow is. It's gonna be interesting. I was hoping for hard packed snow so I could build like an igloo type shelter. But instead I'm finding layers of corn snow. This is corn snow. It's just these big crystals. It's like sand. It just has no structural integrity. Sure, I gotta just keep digging and see what's down here. All right, I've dug down to the ground. So this is what we got. We got fluffy stuff down to about here. And then this is pretty good right in here. Corn snow. Right here, it gets hard again. We got a big layer of garbage in the middle, big layer of garbage on top. Well, I'm not sure exactly how this is gonna work out, but I don't have a tent in my pack, so I'm gonna build a shelter one way or another. Gonna try to cut as many blocks as we can. Ooh. My gloves have frozen and my fingers with them. I get my fingers working again.